This is Charlie. Charlie's been with us for quite a few months now. Can't understand why, because he is such a gorgeous boy, one of the staff favourites. He's about 16 months old, and his story is that when he was 6 months old, his owner took him to the vets to be put to sleep as he no longer wanted him. The vet nurse saw what a gorgeous boy he was and took Charlie home. But she couldn't look after him because she worked, and so he was brought to Dogs Trust, and he's been here for many months now. He's a lovely, friendly boy. He's great with people. He's good with other dogs. Can get a bit OTT with dogs, but he's lovely. He's looking for a home with somebody that can be with him for most of the time, as his one problem is he just loves company and loves to be with someone. He loves his walks, loves his toys, loves his food. He's just an all-round gorgeous boy, and we can't understand why he's been here for so long. Good boy. Charlie loves his food games. Here we are, Charlie. And usually finish off a few sausages in record time.
Excuse you.
He says, get another pound of sausages on the shopping list. Clever boy, Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, sit. High five. High five. Good boy. High five. High five. Good boy. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's gorgeous.